Ready to turn YouTube from a video platform into your ultimate real estate client magnet? First, let's brainstorm engaging video content. Think beyond just property listings. Create neighborhood tour highlighting local amenities. Interview local business owners to showcase the community. Offer tips for first-time home buyers, or even share your expert predictions on the local market trends. Next, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, focusing on terms potential clients are actually searching for, like homes for sale in city or city real estate agent. Also, create compelling thumbnails that grab attention and entice clicks. Now, it's time to engage. Respond to every comment, ask questions to spark conversation, and even host live Q&A sessions to build trust and demonstrate your expertise. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. Promote your channel everywhere. Share your videos on all your social media platforms, embed them in your blog posts, and even consider running targeted YouTube ads to reach a wider audience in your target area. And finally, track your results. Use YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Then adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistently create valuable content. Optimize for search, engage with your audience, and promote your channel, and you will be well on your way to generating leads, closing deals, and becoming the go-to realtor in your area. Good luck.